welcome to this video on adding devices to your MUSE controller using HControl. Before we add devices on the MUSE controller's webpage, we will need to find the HControl name of the device we want to add. The HControl name is used by the controller to identify the correct device it is connecting to via HControl discovery messages or when connecting directly to the device. The HControl name must be used as the instance ID for the connection to be completed successfully. Finding the HControl name can be done in multiple ways, and in many cases the method is based on the device you are trying to add. For example, when adding a network AV device, the HControl name can be found in Enable under the Unit Management tab. Just look for the column labeled HControl. If you do not see the HControl column, upgrade to the most recent version of Enable. Please reference the device documentation on the HControl device you need to connect to in order to find the HControl name. In addition to the device-specific methods, there are two methods that can be used more universally to find the HControl name. The first method is via Manager. Running Manager on a computer connected to the network will discover all the HControl devices on that network. The first column of the device discovery list, labeled Name, is the HControl name of the listed devices. The second method for finding HControl names is through the MUSE's CLI. Sending the command HControl:discovered will print out all of the disco information gathered from each HControl device on the network. This includes things like the name, IP, serial number, and MAC address. The name is what we will use as the instance ID. Once you have the HControl name, browse to the System Scopes page of your MUSE controller. Click the plus symbol next to the scope you would like to add your device to. Click the Add Device button. Type in the HControl name of your device into the Instance ID field. From here, you have two options when choosing your driver ID. If the network you're utilizing allows for broadcast or discovery messages, you can choose the HControl.discovered driver ID. This allows the controller to utilize disco HControl messages to match up your instance ID with an HControl name to communicate with and control devices. The second option, HControl.direct, is used when disco messages cannot be used or seen on the network. It is still required for the instance ID and HControl name to match when creating the device. Once the instance ID has been entered, put in the IP address of the device you are connecting to at the bottom. A friendly name and description can also be entered in for the device. Once you are done, click the Accept button to finish creating the device. Your device should now be listed on the web page with a green box indicating that it is online and ready to be used. If it does not show up with a green box, you may need to refresh the page to see the devices online. That's it for this video. For more news and product information, visit us at our website at amx.com. For troubleshooting tips, FAQs, and code examples, visit our Anytime Help Center at help.harmonpro.com.